Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is fine and enjoying your wonderful day. So, in today's section, we are going to discuss in detail about the nature of the political party. So, we are studying unit number 2 elections and party system in India. In that, in the previous section, we have already studied what is the political party, its meaning, and types. Today, we are going to discuss about the nature. So, welcome to a beautiful section. Hope you enjoy it. So, let's begin today's section. We are going to study about the nature of the political party system. Before that, I want to start with an introduction. As you all know, in the 1600 BC, the East India Company came to India for the purpose of trade. They used to send spices from India to London, and slowly they began to study the political condition of the Indian country, and they came to know that there was no unity among the Indian kings, and British took the advantage of it. Slowly they took control over the administration system and established their emperor in India, and treated Indian citizens like their slaves, and they were exploited in the many ways. In order to set free from India, many uh, freedom struggle movements were started. So let's see what is the nature of political party. So the nature of political party can be traced back from the Indian national movement. Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume in the year 1885. It was a forum to unite people to fight against British Emperor. One second. Then, due to ideological difference between the people, a Muslim League was founded in the year 1906, and many other parties like Hindu Mahasabha, Communist Party of India emerged in the successive years. Later, after independence, when India got independence in 15th August 1947, after the post-independent Bharatiya Janata Party, Janata Dal, and others grown according to the needs of this time and started working for their power. So after the independence, now British rule was completely vanished, and again people of India need someone to rule them for their own benefit and for the benefit of the country. So again the elections were held in India in the year 1950 and 51. Then the I hope Congress party came into power, and they started ruling again. But many other parties were also developed after the post independence, like Bharatiya Janata Party and Janata Dal, because they want to gain the power and rule the country. So this is all about the nature of the political party system in India. I hope you have enjoyed today's section. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. I will definitely clear your all doubts in my upcoming section. Please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting topics in the upcoming section. Till then, stay happy and be safe.